What's good, everybody? My name is Terrence Jackson. I am from Augusta, Georgia, 706, born and raised, but I am representing the ATL, Atlanta, Georgia, and I want to talk to you today about an opportunity that can literally change your life for the better. Disclaimer. Now, what I'm about to talk about, you guys, is no pyramid scheme, no Ponzi, none of that. This is legit an opportunity that will allow you to take part in a digital currency market that brings in $6.6 trillion daily. Yes, you heard. I'm not making this up. $6.6 trillion daily. How awesome is that you can say, I work for a company that brings in $6.6 trillion on a consistent daily basis. And with this opportunity right here, I promise you, you'll be able to have a piece of that. Now, so I wonder, has anyone ever heard of Forex? Watching this video, have you ever heard of Forex? Yes? No? I heard of. Let me tell you something. So here we go. What is Forex? Forex is pretty much the foreign exchange market. And also it's the most liquid market in the world right now currently. With Forex, we basically trade currencies. And if you don't know what that is, let me give you an example. So say for instance, you've taken a trip out of the country to somewhere like Jamaica or Mexico or even Paris. You know, everybody likes Paris, you know? So what you do when you leave the United States, you take the US currencies and then you trade it in exchange for the currencies that are used in that country that you are visiting. And that's pretty much what we do with the foreign exchange market. It's so easy to do, it's simple, but most importantly, it's a way that you can earn money right from your cell phone. And you already have your cell phone in your hand anyway. I know somebody's watching this video. You got a Facebook account, you got a Twitter, you got Snapchat, you got Instagram. And if you're looking for love, you might have Tinder on your phone too. So while you're scrolling, looking at funny videos, and while you're looking at nice pictures or anything of that nature, you can have your phone in your hand and make money trading currencies. I'm so serious, it's just that easy. I will say this, a month ago I partnered with I Am Mastering Academy with Tradehouse, of course, and they connect me with one of the best groups ever, Goal Getters. My leader is amazing, he is a giving person, and he's very informative. And I want to make sure that the resources and the tools that he's giving me, I want to get them into your hands as well, because I want to make sure that everyone has an opportunity to set themselves up for financial success, financial freedom, independence, because like I said earlier, in such a time as this, people don't know how to pay their bills. Why not learn an opportunity that will help you meet all of your financial goals? Easy and simple as that. But I will say this, sometimes if you want to know things that will set you up or put you in a place where doors of opportunity will open for you, sometimes you have to change your circle and connect with leaders, connect with winners, connect with goal getters that know about opportunities such as Forex that will help you and that will give you the skill and the mindset, but most importantly, the encouragement to say, you know what, hey, I want to do better. I'm tired of living from paycheck to paycheck. I want to live from direct deposit to direct deposit. And I want to help you make that happen for yourself. Again, Forex is amazing. It's a blessing. It's a great opportunity that you can learn the process, learn the skill, but most importantly, you're setting your family up for a huge success for many years to come.